Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a funny poem from Marigold, Class 5, Unit 7. That is Topsy Turvy Land. Written by H.E. Wilkinson. So before we read the poem, let us know what is Topsy Turvy Land or what is this Topsy Turvy. Topsy Turvy means upside down or things which are not in proper order or the things which are not arranged properly. Let us read the poem. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. The front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. And buses on the sea you will meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. For when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. Written by H.E. Wilkinson. Now let us go stanza-wise. Now then, in the first stanza, the people walk upon their heads. So in topsy-turvy land, you find people, they walk upside down. That is, they walk upon their heads. It's very funny to see, isn't it, children? The sea is made of sand. So see the sea which is made of sand. Actually, it should be full of water. Water in which color? Blue color. But here the sea is of sand. Okay, it is made of sand. The children go to school by night. So in topsy-turvy land, you find the schools, they start at night. So they go to school at night. All this happen in topsy-turvy land. So a land where the things go upside down or the things which are not in proper way. Now let us go to the second stanza. The front door step is at the back. So in topsy-turvy land, you can see the front door step, it will be at the back. That is the front door where you can see all the flower pots, all that will be arranged at the back. You are walking when you stand. So in topsy-turvy land, if you stand, that is like walking. That is in topsy-turvy land. You wear your hat upon your feet. So actually, where do we wear hat, children? Yes, on our head. But in topsy-turvy land, as they walk upside down, their hat will be on their feet. All this happens in topsy-turvy land. And buses on the sea you will meet. So on the sea, whom you'll see, what you'll see? You'll see the buses. And buses on the sea you will meet. So on the sea, you can see the buses going on. Instead of streets, they go on sea. While pleasure boats are planned. So pleasure boats, pleasure means enjoyment. So the boats, they plan. The pleasure boats, they are planned on the clouds. Wherever they want, they plan and they move on. To travel up and down the street. To travel up and down the street, you find all the vehicles. See the vehicle here. It is upside down. So like that, you find the vehicles up and down the street. You pay for what you never get. So in topsy-turvy land, if you want to purchase anything, if you pay the amount, you will not get it. So that is what the speciality of topsy-turvy land. It is very strange, isn't it? I think it must be grand. Grand means fun. So there in topsy-turvy land, people enjoy. They enjoy a lot. For when you go, you are coming back. So when you are going out of your house, it is like you are coming back. So all this, it is very strange to hear and it is very funny to hear also. So all this happens in topsy-turvy land. Now let us see the poetic devices of this poem, that is topsy-turvy land. Now what is this poetic device? Poetic devices are used in poetry to create a rhythm and enhance a poem's meaning and feeling. Okay, so that is called as poetic device. So the poets use this poetic device to create a rhythm in the poem and also to enhance the poem's meaning and also to get the feeling. For that they use the poetic device. And first of all, we'll see the rhyme scheme. So before we see the rhyme scheme, So let me read the first stanza. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. Now see the last word in the first line. So what is that last word in the first line? Yes, that is heads. Second one is sand. Third one is night. And last line, fourth line is land. So here, what are the words which are rhyming? Yes, sand and land. Now, in order to write the rhyme scheme, for the first word, that is heads, we have to give alphabet A. Now, second one is sand. Is sand rhyming with heads? No. So, we will give alphabet B. And third word is night. Is night rhyming with sands or heads? No, it is not rhyming. So, we will give alphabet C. And the last word is the land. Is it rhyming with any of the three words? Yes, it is rhyming with sand. So, what alphabet did we give for sand? Yes, B we have given. So, for the fourth line, last word, that is land, it's rhyming with sand, so we will give B alphabet. So, the rhyme scheme of this particular stanza is A, B, C, B. So, that is the rhyme scheme. Okay, children. Now, let us see another poetic device. So, we have another poetic device, that is alliteration. So, let us know what is alliteration. It is the occurrence of same sound in the beginning of adjacent words or closely placed words. So, here occurrence means which come. Okay, it is the occurrence of same sound. So, same sound you see in a line. Okay, which will be at the beginning of adjacent words. So, adjacent means one after the other, like that. Or closely placed words. Closely means next word. So, here you see the second line in the first stanza, children. The sea is made of sand. So, which sound is, we are coming to know, which sound is coming twice or thrice? Here the sound S is coming. The sea is made of sand. S or sir and sir. Sir in sea and sand, sir there. So, this is alliteration. Is this clear, children? So, alliteration, it is the occurrence of same sound. So, same sound, sea and sand, sir, sir. Okay. So, that is called as alliteration. And also see the fourth line. In topsy-turvy land. Topsy-turvy land. Is coming, isn't it? So, that is also alliteration. Now, next one here. The front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. So, where in the second line you see, children, you are walking when. Okay, next word, walking when. Were sound is coming. So, walking when. So, walking there, were sound, when, were sound. So, this is called as alliteration. Is this clear, children? So, we have seen the rhyme scheme and alliteration. So, alliteration in the first stanza, sea, sand, topsy-turvy. Second stanza, walking when. So, let us move on to the next slide. And buses on the sea you will meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. Okay, again we have alliteration. So here, second line you see, children, while pleasure boats are planned, per sound is coming. Okay, second line, while pleasure boats are planned. Okay, planned. So, per sound is coming here. Pleasure, per, planned, per. Okay, and again, of topsy-turvy land. Same, topsy-turvy, tur. Okay, now see the next one. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand, for when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. So, do we have any alliteration here, children? No alliteration over here. And now, you see the last line or last line of each and every stanza. What is that? Topsy-turvy land. Okay, so topsy-turvy land is repeated in each and every stanza. So that is a poetic device. It is refrain, children. It is, what is refrain? It is group of words repeated at certain parts in a poem or a song. So that is called as refrain. So what is refrain? A group of words repeated at certain parts in a poem or song. So in each and every stanza we come across topsy-turvy land. So that is called as refrain. Is this clear, children? Have you all enjoyed? Thank you.